In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a front sway bar link on your Chevy Silverado 2500. This will be located behind the front wheel. Let's get started. Using a 21mm socket, we're going to remove all of these lug locks. Remove the center cap. Using a 22mm socket, remove all 8 lug nuts. Remove all of the lug nuts. Remove the wheel. I have a pair of locking pliers holding my top piece for my sway bar link. This is where the bolt threads in. And I'm going to use a 13mm socket on the bottom for the head of the bolt. And we're going to remove the bolt. Remove the bolt and pull off that top piece. Remove the rest of the sway bar link. We're going to grab our new sway bar link and remove the nut. Remove the top 2 pieces, your spacer, and the bottom bushing. We're going to leave 1 bushing and 1 washer and install it up and through. Install a bushing and a washer, and then the spacer. And have another washer and bushing. Get it up through. We're going to put 1 last washer and bushing. To be able to put the nut on top of the sway bar link bolt, we're going to have to put a jack under our control arm since it's not long enough. We're going to jack up slightly on this lower control arm just to give ourselves a little bit more. Push that bolt up through. Now I can feel the threads on top so we can get our nut on. Using a 14mm wrench, we're going to hold the top nut while using a 14mm socket to snug up the bolt. Remove the jack. Tighten your sway bar link until you get a good bit of squish out of your bushings. We don't want these to be fully pancaked out, but we want them to be tight. Install the wheel. Install all the lug nuts. Snug down all the lug nuts. Torque your lug nuts to 140 foot-pounds in a star pattern. Install the center cap.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.